Sargam Soni. Firstly, thank you so much for such amazing and overwhelming responses to every single video of mine. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार और कृतज्ञ हूँ कि आपने मेरे सभी वीडियोस को इतना प्यार दिया और इतना सराहा. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, do that right away. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos and notifications as well. So today I'm going to talk about the 7 wonders of your life. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to talk about 7 wonders of your life. We know the 7 wonders of the world, but I want you to know that each one of us has amazing 7 wonders in our lives, and I'm going to talk about them today. Life is your mother. Yes, she is the first, most, and the amazingly beautiful wonder of your life. A child gives birth to a mother. A mother is the first one to bring you into this life. She is the one who loves you even before you were born, because you're practically a part of not just her blood and flesh but also her soul. So she makes it a point that she treats you like one. A mother carries you in her womb, in her belly for almost 9 months, in her arms for 2 years, and in her heart forever. So mother is the first most important wonder of your life. The second most important wonder of your life is your father. A father is the first person to face all the hardships, to go through all the hardships, to do all the sacrifices which you even can't think about, just to make sure that you smile and you have the best possible life that he can give you, the best possible education that he can give you. So father is definitely the second most important wonder of your life. The third most important wonder of your life and beautiful wonder of your life are your siblings. Yes, siblings are the first people who teach you what sharing and caring actually is. They are the first ones to teach you that how beautiful is it to care and share with your loved ones. A sister is the second best human being after mom, and for so many, unfortunately, who don't have moms, sisters play the role of mother and father so beautifully well. A brother might not be able to express how much he loves you, but trust me, nobody can love you the way your brother can. So siblings are definitely the third most important wonder of your life. Fourth most important wonder of your life are your friends. Friends are the people who teach you to respect and value other people who have different viewpoints and opinions. Friends are just like that cool, beautiful breeze on a summery day, or maybe like stars who you cannot see them all the time, but you know that they are always there watching over you and being by your sides. So yes, friends are definitely an amazing wonder of your life. The fifth most important and beautiful wonder of your life is your love. Yes, the one you love is definitely a wonder of your life, and not just an ordinary one, but an amazing one. Love is the first person to teach you the entire value of sacrifice and compromise, to adjust to another human being. Love is the one for whom you would fight the entire world just to see them happy, just to see them smile, and to be with them for the rest of your life. So love is definitely a beautiful and amazing, a priceless wonder of your life. The sixth most important wonder of your life is children. Yes, children are not just an ordinary wonder of your life, but they are something so amazing and so priceless. Children teach us the value of selflessness. What is an unconditional feeling of putting somebody else ahead of our own selves, loving somebody much more than we can love our own selves. So children are the ones who teach us the entire value of unconditional love and selflessness. So these are definitely some amazing wonder of our life. The last but not the least, the seventh wonder of your life are your grandchildren. Yes, grandchildren are so much full of innocence and acceptance that they teach you the value of acceptance. They teach you the value of what is it to live your life all over again. So grandchildren are definitely little tiny little pieces of heaven moving around along with you, holding your arms, loving you the way they are, cuddling with you, and teaching you to live life all over again. They teach you how to make that entire cycle of life all over again. So they are the most amazing, precious, and sweet little wonders of your life. So I have just explained what are the 7 wonders of your life. Remember to love each of the wonder of your life. You have to love your parents, respect your parents, because there'll be a time when you'll realize that you are growing big but your parents are growing old. You don't want to wait for a time when you would want to regret thinking about the things that you could have done when your parents are alive, because probably there'll be a time in your life when you really want them and they probably aren't around and they're just blessing you from heaven. So please love and respect your parents, love your friends, stay unconditional with them, take care of your kids, take care of your grandkids, and make sure and remember that love is the most powerful force in the universe. So make sure you love each and every one unconditionally and try to be the love that you want to see for yourself, that you want to have for yourself. If you really like this video, please make sure you share my video. You can like, comment, share this with your loved ones. And if you yet haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and do that right away. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy and healthy. Thank you. Jai Hind.